Are you tired of paying high monthly bills? Do you want to save money without sacrificing your lifestyle? In this video, we will show you how to save money on your monthly bills. We will provide you with practical tips and tricks that you can implement right away. By the end of this video, you will have a better understanding of how to reduce your monthly expenses and keep more money in your pocket. The first step to saving money on your monthly bills is to evaluate them. Take a look at your bills and see where you can cut back. Are you paying for services that you don't use or need? For example, do you have a gym membership that you never use? Do you have a premium cable package that you don't watch? Canceling these services can save you a lot of money. Another way to evaluate your bills is to look for hidden fees. Many companies add hidden fees to your bills, such as administrative fees or service charges. These fees can add up over time, so it's important to read your bills carefully and dispute any fees that you don't understand or agree with. Once you've evaluated your bills, it's time to negotiate. Many companies are willing to negotiate with their customers to keep them from cancelling their services. Call your service providers and ask if they have any promotions or discounts that you can take advantage of. You may be surprised at how much money you can save just by asking. If you're not comfortable negotiating on your own, consider using a service like Bill Cutters. Bill Cutters is a company that negotiates bills on behalf of its customers. They have a team of experts who will negotiate with your service providers to get you the best deals possible. While they do charge a fee for their services, the money you save may be worth it. One of the biggest expenses for many households is energy. By reducing your energy usage, you can save a significant amount of money on your monthly bills. Here are some tips for reducing your energy usage. Turn off lights and electronics when you're not using them. Use energy-efficient light bulbs. Install a programmable thermostat. Seal air leaks in your home. Use a clothesline instead of a dryer. By implementing these tips, you can reduce your energy usage and save money on your monthly bills. Another way to save money on your monthly bills is to shop around for better deals. Many service providers offer promotions and discounts to new customers, so it's worth checking if you can get a better deal by switching providers. For example, if you're not happy with your current cell phone plan, check out other providers to see if they offer better rates or more data. You may be able to save a significant amount of money by switching to a different provider. The same goes for your internet and cable bills. Check if there are any promotions or discounts available for new customers. If you find a better deal, call your current provider and ask if they can match it. If they can't, consider switching providers. It's also worth checking if you're eligible for any discounts. Many service providers offer discounts to seniors, students, and military personnel. Check with your service providers to see if you qualify for any discounts. By shopping around for better deals and taking advantage of discounts, you can save money on your monthly bills. Technology can be a powerful tool for saving money on your monthly bills. Here are some ways you can use technology to save money. 1. Use apps to track your spending. There are many apps available that can help you track your spending and identify areas where you can cut back. Some popular apps include Mint, Personal Capital, and Pocket Guard. 2. Use smart home devices. Smart home devices like smart thermostats and smart light bulbs can help you save money on your energy bills. These devices can automatically adjust your home's temperature and lighting based on your preferences, which can help you save money on your energy bills. 3. Use comparison websites. Comparison websites like PriceGrabber and Google Shopping can help you find the best deals on products and services. These websites allow you to compare prices from different retailers, so you can find the best deal on the products you need. 4. Use cashback apps. Cashback apps like Raction and iBet allow you to earn cashback on your purchases. These apps offer cashback on a wide range of products and services, so you can earn money back on the things you're already buying. By using technology to save money, you can reduce your monthly expenses and keep more money in your pocket. Cutting back on non-essential expenses is another way to save money on your monthly bills. Here are some tips for cutting back on non-essential expenses. 1. Eat out less. Eating out can be expensive, so try to eat at home more often. Plan your meals in advance and cook in bulk to save time and money. 2. Cancel subscriptions. Cancel any subscriptions that you don't use or need. This includes subscriptions to magazines, streaming services, and other services that you don't use regularly. 3. Buy generic. Buying generic products can save you a lot of money. Generic products are often just as good as name brand products, but they cost less. 4. Use coupons. Use coupons to save money on your purchases. You can find coupons online, in newspapers, and in magazines. 5. Reduce your transportation costs. Transportation can be a significant expense, so try to reduce your transportation costs. Consider coupling taking public transportation or biking to work. By cutting back on non-essential expenses, you can save money on your monthly bills and reduce your overall expenses.